Today I'm going on a little road trip. For the longest time, my daughter, who is 21 now, has wanted a old school Mustang. So me being who I am, and me liking to work on cars, I decided to go look at a few, and I got approval from my wife. Love you, honey. So today I'm going to look at a Mustang, and let's see how that turns out. I'll try and videotape some of it and include it in this, so stick around, and then I'll let you know how things turn out. So focus, you son of a bitch. Did the air work at all? Or you never used it?
I usually roll the windows down, but I think I fixed the heat.
Okay. All right. Yeah. That kind of stuff happens. Definitely happens. Oh, shit. Well, I looked at it. I took a little bit of video. I don't know how it turned out, but it's pretty sort of solid. It's got its issues, so I'm gonna go back, do a little calculating on what kind of parts costs I'd have to fix it up, and then I'll get back with the young man. But overall, it looks pretty all right. So we will go from there. So here we go. Well, today, after I went and looked at the Mustang, before I do anything else, I decided to come home and drive the Torino, because it appears, well, I changed the fuel filters with new fuel filters to see if that would help, and it appears to be helping greatly. So I'm going to drive it around a little bit, see if I can get it into learning mode, open loop instead of closed loop, and we'll go from there. But so far, it seems to be doing fine. I'm not getting any lean spikes, so I'll keep an eye on that. And I'm just glad that this thing's running now. So I will talk to you later. All right, I forgot how calming it is to drive the car. So everything seems to be running all right. I'm not overheating. I got plenty of oil pressure. It's not running super lean. It's just cruising along. So I'm going to drive around a little bit, and then I'll get into the next stuff I'm planning on doing today. But having a good day. So to get to this point, I had changed the filters, fuel filters, both pre and post pump filters. And then I reran the setup wizard, and to get rid of any chance that it had some weird learning from the fuel filters being clogged. And now I've been driving it around. I went and got some gas, and now I'm just giving it a chance to learn. So it's pretty freaking awesome. It'll chirp the tires just coming during a roll, so I'm pretty happy with it right now. So I'll just keep driving it around and letting it keep learning. So I decided to come out to a lovely patch of Mexico and see what it sounds like at full throttle. So here we go. speed limit. I promise. I might have. Good thing I'm in Mexico and they don't have laws about that. But anyways, it sounds pretty damn good and it's running great. Seems like all the rest of my gauges are working except for the tach, which I know because I installed the CD box in the distributor, but and the fuel tank. So that's the only things that aren't working right now. So I'll have to figure that out. But I'm so happy that the issue ended up being the fuel filters. At least now I know when the pump's that freaking loud, it's because it's screaming to be fed. Because right now I haven't even heard it while we've been out on a ride. So there you go. I hope you have a great day, and thanks for watching. And I'll give you guys an update eventually on the Mustang, whether I get that one or another one. But I think that's the one I want to get. And if I get it, then I'll tell you a little bit more of its backstory. But just be suffice to say, I don't want to take any old decent car and fix it up and just drive the shit out of it, because it's definitely just a run-of-the-mill 6-cylinder automatic, and I won't feel bad at all about what do they call that, modernizing it a little bit. So anyways, have a great day, stay safe, go for a ride. It's worth it. It may put a smile on my face. So thanks for everything you guys have done. Please like, please share, please subscribe, and have a great day.